Namaste. So today I'm going to be filming a few short videos for my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. And I'll also be taking you along throughout the journey, showing you my recording setup and the process involved in it. And that process is very simple that I avoid much of editing. So I want to create short form content, that is Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, mainly for two reasons. One, I need to build some kind of creative discipline where I'm showing my work consistently to the audience. And two, I want to see how consistency affects the engagement I get on those platforms. It might be Instagram or YouTube. I want to see how much of engagement I get by being consistent. And is it really true that if I be consistent, I'll get a massive following? Almost majority of the audience go to a 9 to 5 something and they come home and they just want to swipe the phone and scroll through their home feeds of the social media. So they don't have time to see and observe and experience long format content. Of course, to those who have, I'll still keep doing long format content, no doubt about it, because I love making carefully crafted artworks. However, I want to create these short form content with the least amount of time possible, because as I said, I want to concentrate on more carefully crafted artworks. So without any further ado, let's get into filming Instagram Reels. Setup is complete. This is my key light and this is my fill light. This has 4 18-watt bulbs in it and this has 2 18-watt bulbs in it. So there is, if you can see my face, this is more lit and this is partially lit. So it creates a cinematic, supposed to create cinematic look. And here I have one hair light, which is again one 18-watt bulb. It's covered with light gel, yellow and orange. And above there I have one more focus light which I used for my bookshelves, that is also hitting me to create more hair light to separate me from the background. And again here I have 2 of 18-watt bulbs here, which is covered with blue and green light jets. That is giving me this ring kind of this blue effect here. So it is just again just to separate me from the background and make it more interesting. Of course, I'll be doing a few last moment tweaks to the total image by pulling these stands away or near to me so that my face is well lit. I think I have to bring this a bit near, and now I think it's better. This right here is the mic stand which I use to focus myself when I am not on the frame. My camera does not have an autofocus feature on video mode. So what I do is I place a mic stand here at my position, and this is my max also, so I can see whether I am covering the full entire frame or there is space between, so I can know where my body lies within the frame when I go there and see the camera when I'm not here. Now I have to set up the audio. Now the audio is set too. I have connected my AKG C411P to my Violin, so I don't need any other mics because it is pretty much a very good method to cancel the outside noise, because it is a piezoelectric mic, so it doesn't pick up more sound from air. It picks sound from directly the oscillating vibrations of the wood itself. Now that everything is set, I play around with my Violin for a few minutes and come up with what to play for the Insta Reels and plan how long does it take. So I just completed filming few reels, and I hope this video was interesting for you to watch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.